Today we will discuss about a very important chapter of grammar, that is conjunctions or connectors. After all, what are connectors? Any word that joins two words, two phrases, two clauses is called a connector or a conjunction. Now, types of connectors. There are four types of connectors. Number one is main or coordinate connector. So today we will discuss about the main or coordinating connectors. Coordinating connectors are used for the sentences of equal importance, or you can say coordinating conjunctions are used in independent clauses. So there are basically seven coordinating connectors. They are at, or, but, for, yet, nor, so. In short, we can say them fanboys. Fanboys. Now I will explain in which sentences we can use the coordinating clauses. Number one, there are two sentences. I went to a market. I bought some grocery items from the market. So these are two independent clauses. If we join these two sentences, we will use the coordinating connector and. I went to a market and bought grocery items from the market. So use of and is clear in your mind, I think so. Next sentence, you can solve this question, full stop, you can solve that question. Two sentences of equal importance means independent clause. Here we will use all. You can solve this question or you can solve that question. Next, he is a rich man. He is a rich man. He doesn't help the poor. In this particular sentence, we will use the connector but. He is a rich man, but he doesn't help the poor. In the next sentence, he is a poor man. He donates many times. We use yet in positive sense. So here we will use he is a poor man, yet he donates many times. The next sentence, trees are very useful in our life. They provide us oxygen. Trees are very useful in our life, for they provide us oxygen. ट्रीज हमारी जिंदगी के लिए बहुत यूजफुल है क्योंकि वो हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. So I think now there is no confusion in your mind about the use of connectors. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.